turning off my alarm. It is 9:30 today, not an early morning for Jade. So I went to bed at like 1:30, just like, again, not my finest moment. My university goes from Monday to Thursday, and today is a Friday, so I'm free, except I'm not really, because I have a lot of assignments and things to get done. But my Thursday is the new Friday, so I treated it like my weekend, and after my classes and after I had like a 2-hour meeting, I just called some of my friends from uni in different time zones, so I stayed up. And as much as I'm 100% a morning person, I do think there's no real rush as much anymore. I'm actually quite proud of myself because I think I'm really redefining how to structure a day and still feel productive without any pressure involved, you know? Just doing things because I'm excited and motivated to do them. Ready to smash some assignments today, ready to do some more editing, ready to hopefully enjoy the gorgeous weather outside by sitting in the garden, seeing as sometimes my mental health is just not the one. Today, I feel good, I feel alive, and I'm grateful for that. I'm gonna make my bed. Beautiful. So I'm doing this meditation challenge. It is day 11. The reason it's so cool is because my friend is basically forcing me to do it, which means I'm in an accountability group chat, and if I don't type in day 11 done, then I fail the challenge, and I'm too competitive for this. So as someone who values meditation and yoga and all that so much, but isn't necessarily the most disciplined with it, this is great for me because it's just a habit I want to have and it makes me do it. I expect and accept abundance to flow easily to me. Om Daksham Nama, which means my actions achieve maximal benefit with minimal effort. Normally there's like a task associated with it. Today's all about describing your mother and father in your notebook, positive aspects they have, how did they inspire you, what limitations did they have, what did you learn from them, what brought you together, what separated you or distanced you. It's always just some kind of reflective task and then a 15-minute meditation. I pretty much always choose my outfit the night before, just so there's like no friction to me getting ready. I'm gonna wear this, and I've not worn it for like 6 months at least. I also don't know if you've noticed, but I really do cycle through the same like 10 outfits my entire life. I really try hard not to play into fast fashion too much. I don't actually think I bought a new piece of clothing this year, like a brand new piece. I like thrifted a few things in San Francisco, but like I'm doing okay this year. And this piece is just one of my favorites, so I'm very excited to wear it today. The weather's looking fine. I'm just gonna have a quick shower and then get ready. So let's go back to I need some tunes. You only hit me on the late night. It's 10:19, it's not the earliest. We're gonna go make breakfast. I'm feeling extremely motivated to smash out this one task that has been on my to-do list for like at least a month and a half. I need to complete some makeup work and I just don't want to do it. It's for computational sciences, but you know what? I'm gonna do it. I'm not gonna let myself do anything fun until I do that one task. Let's go. If there's one thing that is constant in Jade's routine, that is making Jade's porridge. I just love it. I think my dad has got me into this habit in life. I'll always add a banana. I'll try and add some frozen berries if we have any. It's just a wholesome start to a good day. Like, you have porridge, it's gonna be a good day. Okay, as I said, I committed. I'm gonna eat my breakfast and I'm gonna start looking at my makeup work. Basically, if we miss a class, we have to write like a mini essay thing about the class. We have to watch the recording, answer some questions about it, just to make sure we've like watched it and engaged with it and we're not missing out on all that knowledge, which is a bit of a pain. So I'm gonna do that now. It's all about utility.
Please, thank you's your key. And not me, so I ran. Or something like that. You got to go by. And and I'm good, like, and I'm good, right, and I'm safe, right, all the time when it shine, right, and you're so nice, and your eyes line up with constellation, bright, now stay mine, and now stay mine, on road, knowing last day time, don't take mine, not take mine, to what, not combine, no.
To reward myself for doing that horrible task, I'm now gonna just edit a video because I need to do it, but it's fun. Hello, okay, it is 1:45. I just finished editing that whole video, did my makeup work. I also organised a lot of my files into folders because my laptop was just getting really cluttered. Yes, clear some space. Folk!
Good. Clearly not as productive as you, but... But I'm good, yeah.
Literally the last few days I've just been so chill anyway. I'm gonna go sit in the sun and do nothing.
You chill. I would never be able to do as much as that.
Oh wait, is this the pasta that I was gonna have for lunch?
You were gonna have, you never said anything. I didn't see your name written on it, so. I mean, I left some for you.
We have one.
That's me being generous.
Rude.
Yum.
How's life treating you, Folk?
Good, yeah. Good. I'm a man of few words.
Can I steal your thing?
Well, you kind of just done it anyway. Eating well.
Leftover dinner for lunch. We just finished watching
Tiger Queen. Tiger King. Oh, we haven't finished watching the whole thing yet.
No, we watched 2 episodes.
The tea's getting hot.
The tea is getting piping hot.
3 o'clock. So we'll probably finish it tonight, right?
I have meetings.
Oh, screw the meetings. No. Priorities. Well, we'll watch it at some point.
I don't like how there's like literally no emphasis on animal rights.
I think Joe Exotic for governor. No. They might get onto that. Who knows?
I just got changed and I'm gonna go for a bike ride. Kind of new for me. I think this is the first time I've been getting out my bike since I was like 13. But yeah, I tend to alternate. So like one day I'll just do an at-home workout. The next day I'll either go for a run or a bike ride and just like avoid people. So yeah, I'm gonna go cycle. The weather's so nice. Also hats. I don't really ever wear hats, but I just feel inspired. Dancing. I just wrote up my mini reflection assignment from this call. I finished my 2-hour Zoom call meeting. Alongside our university academic courses, we have this like intercultural competency course, which we have to do. I've now just spent the last half an hour just doing general readings for fun. I'm currently looking at different society structures. Good stuff. Yay, I got confetti. Submitted. I also just watched a documentary about the Vietnam War for like no real reason. I was just thinking about my Vietnamese roommate Phong and I miss her a lot, so I just started researching Vietnam more. And then I ended up on this documentary and then I was like, this is interesting. I don't know enough about the Vietnam War, so I just watched that. So it's 8 p.m. I need to have a meeting with my natural sciences group because we have an assignment, a group assignment due on Monday. It's the one, if you're on my Instagram and you filled in my survey, this is the one. It's all about online education, the format that people are using globally right now, the extent to which it's active versus passive, and then relating that to students' engagement and satisfaction. There's a girl in our group who's a coding queen and she's doing a lot of our statistical data analysis. Yeah, we need to chat about that. I need to clean my bedroom at some point. Now I'm gonna quickly look into some better platforms to learn Korean because I want to step up my game. Any recommendations, please tell me. I'm gonna call a friend. I've just scheduled a call with another friend tomorrow, which is exciting. Do I need to do anything else? Oh yeah, I need to edit a video by the end of today. Hello, I just didn't film anything. So I had my natural sciences meeting. Girl in our group, her data analysis is insane. She's gone above and beyond, and then filmed out my friend's survey, which required a lot more deep thought than I want to be doing at nearly midnight. I drafted a quite important email for our internship project. Also, I applied for an internship this summer. So Minerva offers just a few internal internships. You can just do remote work for the university, but they're like pretty cool opportunities. This was in like communications management, which means I'd have some kind of control or feedback to be able to give into Minerva's social media platforms. Yeah, interesting. And I got through to the next round, which is a written assessment next week, so that's exciting. I'm now gonna go upstairs and call someone. Hi, it's nearly 1 AM. I'm editing. Editing is one of these tasks. I feel like it's just an at-night task inherently. I don't really like working into the night, but there's something about editing. It just is more productive at night. I'm gonna finish the rough edit of this video, which should take me about another 15 minutes, and then I'm gonna sleep. And there we have it. Thank you so much for watching. No matter how you are spending your days in quarantine, it's all enough. I feel like it's very tempting to negatively compare to other people, whether you're using this time to write a whole book or you're just doodling most of the days. I'm sending you love. Have a good one. Bye.
The moment I knew that I can't get her back, I should have known, so be glad not to have.